So why am I making this video about ammunition? What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. Alright guys, yes, I know my channel, my niche is all about testosterone replacement therapy. So why am I making this video about ammunition? Well guys, the point of being on testosterone replacement therapy is that you're trying to get back to normal, right? You're trying to feel like yourself again. Well, guess what guys? Part of what my normal self is and who I am and what I like to do is I'm into the pew-pews. I'm afraid to say the G word on this channel. The YouTube police might come after me, and the YouTube police arrest you by sticking their hand into your wallet and messing with that. And I don't like that. So I might not be saying the G word. I might just be referring to all of these things like pew-pews, okay? So I want to talk to you guys because I want to help you. If you are also into the pew-pews and you're looking for the things that come out of the pew-pews, I want to tell you how I've been able to score all this really just over the past probably 4 weeks, just over the past month. And then I also want to give you some tips to help you save some money, okay? Because you can get ripped off right now because a lot of people know that we're in an ammo shortage. So when it comes to buying these things, my first tip is this. I would probably stay away from your local gun stores if you're trying to save the most money. Hey, listen, some of us are we're okay with spending a few more dollars to support our local gun shops. And hey, if that's your thing, go for it, man. No disrespect to you. I'm happy that you do what you do and keep doing it. But for those of us that want to pinch pennies because we have to, then I would go with the big box stores. And let me tell you, so for example, I bought these two 380 full metal jacket rounds. It's $50 per box. I bought these at a local gun store. I paid, as you see that, I don't know if you can see, but there's $20. It says I paid $20 per box. Now what that equals is 40 cents per round. I bought these about 3 weeks ago, I would say. Just this morning, I bought these. These are also 380 rounds, 95 grain, full metal jackets. Again, I got these for $17.99 a box. That equals 36 cents per round. So you're going to pay a bit more usually at your local gun stores. I even went to one whenever whenever I thought things were really tight, and they were, but I didn't know how bad this ammo shortage was going to be and how long for. They were selling ammunition in little plastic baggies like drugs. And I paid $12 for 25 rounds of 380 because we have two different 380 pew-pews, and I just didn't know if we were gonna get any back anytime soon. All right guys, that equals like 48 cents a round. That hurts because think about it. Think about every time you're at the range and you're pulling that trigger. Think about 2 quarters popping out of the end of your barrel every time. Ouch! So big box stores are going to be, of course, more cost effective. We have a lot of different 22s in my house, and we have 4 different ones. We have 2 that are the pew-pews that you hold in your hands, and that's a Smith & Wesson 22 Compact and a Taurus TX22. We also have a Ruger kind that you put on your shoulder, and a little bitty one that I got when I was a little boy. My father got me this when I was a little boy. It's called a Chipmunk, tiny little one that you put on your shoulder. Leave a like if you've ever even heard of a Chipmunk. It shoots one at a time. I probably got that when I was like 8 years old, and so I have that as well. My children have also used it. But so how did I get these? Where did I get them? What did I pay for them? Well, 3 of these I got just this morning from Academy Sports. Academy Sports charged me $18.99. That equals 6 cents per round. Then I went to the Walmart down the street and they had one. It was $16.84. These were $18.99 at Academy Sports. This was $16.84 at Walmart. And again, that's about 5 cents a round. This is about 6 cents per round. When I was at Walmart last week, they only had these on the shelf. This is 100 rounds of Remington Subsonic. For this one here, I paid $6.78. That's about 7 cents a round. And they had these. These are 2 boxes of 50. And these equaled about 7 cents per round as well, because they were $3.47 per box. Now, when I was at Academy not too long ago, we were buying a pew pew there. Academy had these on the shelf, and I was just totally shocked that they even had them. Full Metal Jacket also. These were $11.99 per box at Academy, and that ends up being 24 cents per round for those. So guys, listen, I've scored all this over the past 4 weeks, and the key really is to just be diligent and be patient. If you are going to scramble and try to get all that you want all at once, you're going to pay either a lot for it, or you're just going to be frustrated because it's not going to be there. I know when people get into panic situations, they like to just get all they can get. I mean, just look at when people were buying toilet paper just a few months ago. They had carts after cart, we say buggy here in Alabama, by the way, buggy after buggy in the grocery stores full of all this toilet paper because they just wanted all that they could get all at once. And listen, if you'll just be patient and persistent, you will be able to get your stash back up where you want it. This is probably all I'm going to get. I'm probably not going to get much more than this at all. Why? Just because I don't need it. I mean, what's the point of trying to stockpile like 100,000 rounds? I don't really need 100,000 rounds. Some of you might even say, you don't even need that many rounds, Cohen. Okay, maybe you're right, but we also like to go to the range and just have fun with our pew-pews and just like to stay sharp. And so we think it's fun, and it's also, to us, it's important because we want to be able to protect ourselves. Lord willing, we will never have to, but we want to be ready when the time comes. So guys, that's how I got my ammunition. I hope that helps you. Tip number 1, big box stores are going to be a little bit cheaper, and then be patient and be persistent and just get it little by little. God bless. Peace.